Hey, Mario here. Today we're going to talk about maximizing your audio experience with your Aonic 50 Generation 2 wireless noise cancelling headphones using the SHurePlay app. Let's take a look. The ShurePlay app is free to download for iOS or Android, and the app is going to enhance your experience with Aonic 50 Generation 2 headphones with noise cancellation, environment modes, EQ, and DSP presets. Let's take a look at that first one with active noise cancellation. So let's start with that first setting, ANC, or active noise cancellation. In the app, you'll have 4 different types of ANC to choose from. You'll have light, moderate, max, and brand new for the headphone, Max Aware, that lets you block out unwanted noise but still be aware of your surroundings. Next is environment mode. Now when the headphones are in environment mode, you're actually allowing some of the outside world in, so you're not completely closing yourself off from what's happening around you. Now within the app, you can actually control the amount of environment that you want to let into the headphones. It's great for things like airports and train stations where you need to hear the announcements to catch that flight and to make sure you catch that train. Next, we're introducing something brand new to the headphones, and that is what we call spatialized audio technology. So whether you're listening to your favorite music, watching your favorite movie, or listening to your favorite podcast, you could now widen that sound stage without introducing any kind of unwanted artifacts. And all of that is available through a simple touch of a button through the ShurePlay app. Next is a customizable EQ. Now in the ShurePlay app, you have 2 different types of customizable EQs to choose from. You have our factory presets, but you also have the ability to manually create your own EQ. Now once you've created your own EQ, you can actually save that as a preset and pull it up anytime you like. That preset though will actually save to your headphones. So every time you use them, whether you have the app open or not, your EQ will already be loaded into the headphone. And finally, beyond what you've just seen, there are still so many more features within the ShurePlay app to maximize your audio experience. From performing firmware updates to changing tones and prompts, the list goes on. And oh, don't forget, it's a music player as well. And there you have it. That's how you're going to maximize your audio experience with your Aonic 50 Generation 2 wireless noise cancelling headphones by using the free to download ShurePlay app. For more information, check the links below. Be sure to like and subscribe. I'm Mario. I hope all of you guys have a great day.